Traditional family recipe. I've never cooked spaghetti with eggs so delicious. In a saucepan, add a teaspoon of salt. 250 grams of pasta. Let the pasta cook. Meanwhile, add 100 grams of bacon to the pan. Let's fry the bacon well. You don't even need any oil, bacon already releases a natural oil when frying. If you want to keep receiving our recipes, don't forget to interact with this video. That way you'll receive a recipe every day. Remove the bacon to a bowl. Put the pasta we cooked in the same pan. Add 6 eggs. Mix the noodles well with the eggs. Take the time to tell me which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Add 200 grams of Parmesan cheese. Add the bacon we left aside. Mix gently. Let me know which recipe you'd like to see here. Add half a chopped red bell pepper. Add a tablespoon of butter. Now I'm going to let it cook over a medium heat for 10 minutes. I'll give it one more stir so that the butter melts completely. And our recipe is ready, a delicious and easy pasta to make at home. Make this recipe at home and come back and let us know how it turned out. I look forward to hearing about it. Thanks for watching, see you next time and bon appetit!